Hey, Shawnee from SpeakReview.com. I was thinking earlier today if I want to make a video because I have some time, but it's going to be a while since I have time again. And then in my mailbox is a GAN 15, so we're making a video. Okay, in the box we have our card. We have a bag. What is that? What do we... That... alternate centerpieces that possibly change the overall feeling? Something like that? That is nothing even about that. Look at this. These ones are rounded. These ones are squared off. Are these like alternate centerpieces if you want it more stable? Okay, a couple things. There's no magnet adjustment on here. Inside, oh, we've got very, very strong magnets there. Or not strong, but tall magnets. There's no adjustment magnets I can see. Never mind. Oh, wow, okay. So the white ones are default. Blue is under. Green is higher, so green is stronger. I was not expecting this. I've been... It's not bad. It's a little... Actually, it's not too loose right now. I'm going to just swap these for the green ones. See that difference of here. And then I'm swapping the center caps. That is unexpected. Let's put the green one in and clockwise. Interesting. They're taking a very sudden shift in concept. The puzzle on its own feels similar, very light. It takes a little more work to adjust the magnets. I have always been okay with that. If I'm spending 5 minutes testing a few different things out, maybe 10, that's not bad. I have to put the corner in first and the edge. That's honestly not bad. I mean, that's not a bad amount, especially because you really do that once to find what you like, and then that's it. You don't need to do that again. But I'm sure with this, they've got fewer parts, so it's not as difficult to make. Hopefully that shows in the price. I actually don't know what the price is. But I think this is available now for pre-order, so at SpeedCube Shop, I'm going to have a link directly in the description. So if you just look down in the description, there should be the products right there. So you can just click on it and go straight to the product. And that actually helps me if you do that. So if you watch this video and later on you decide to get something, click through that link. I like that a lot better. Green is definitely more my style. It's so light. Let's do a scramble and then a solve, and then I guess I have to take it all apart to change this center cap. But I need to try it. I am excited about this. They haven't had... Have they ever had squared off center caps? I don't think so. If I'm missing like a model that did, let me know, but I don't think they ever have. Okay, looking around the camera. Ah, there we go. Well, it performs like a GAN puzzle. It's very light. I feel like so far this is eliminating a lot of the potential issues with just how simple this is. And really, GAN has 2 lines of puzzles. They've got their regular one and their mini, but the mini hasn't been updated. So really they have one major one. So we're gonna punch that out. Then take this out, which will be maybe pushed. Oh, I might have to. Oh, no, this looks like it's working. Okay. Oh, don't want to do too much. Well, if you want to know what the center, what the core looks like, here you go. Maybe I'll make that the screenshot, or maybe like that. That'll be the screenshot. I have to do like the gimmicky like thing. Let's just put this in here. Okay, however long that last one took, I'll put the time here because I got pretty fast at it. Let me check all these settings to make sure they're all identical. Okay. Let's see if I can swap it out with something from the 14. Okay, putting the caps on. So it looks like even though they're shaped a little differently, I could swap them. So I swapped one piece of the GAN 14 until I find that piece of the GAN 15. Not a huge difference. So it's still light, it's still flexible, but I guess I almost feel like the squared off edges work better for people who have a more accurate turning, because it's staying in the shape, but if I was more rough with it, it would be almost worse. Like I feel like it'd be fighting itself. Okay. Very light puzzle. Almost feels like they went back to what the GAN X was, but using the new core corner magnets instead of just edge corner like we had back then. The different center caps are very interesting. I have to mess with it more to really give a full review of it. Just because I'm not sure if I'm feeling a difference, or just after all that time of messing with it, I've already forgotten. But it's fun. It's very light. It's a GAN puzzle because I can move it super fast. Yeah, very, very fluid turning. So, GAN 15, centerpiece change, changeability, corner changes. The box doesn't want to close completely. But either way, interesting change with it. You can have a little more stability from that center cap adjustment. I don't know how prominent it is, but I definitely want to spend some more time messing around with it and see what I can do. Thank you much, GAN, for sending this over. Like I said, there's a link in the description if you want to check it out or pick it up. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, and as always, step by speed could be viewed for more news and reviews.